Alright, good morning and welcome to the vlog. I have had a crazy start to my morning. I worked for my job this morning, transferred everything over from this camera onto my laptop, which took forever because my laptop kept thinking that my external hard drive was ejecting, but it wasn't, which was just so frustrating. But we are finally on our way. Mom and Dad are actually ahead of me because I forgot an N95 mask in the room because I switched backpacks today to my new lounge fly that I bought yesterday. Today might have started off rocky. I haven't checked, but I don't know if it's a bones day or no bones day yet. We are off to Animal Kingdom. We're gonna try to do as much there, get to the Canteen for lunch. From there, we are going to the Boo Bash tonight, which is super exciting because we have had our costumes ready for a long time. I'm off to the Mara to meet my parents. We're about to see Animal Kingdom for the first time in a long time. There it is. We're in Animal Kingdom. We made it in. I continue to have my bag searched every single time. With the new security, you just like walk through with everything and they flag certain bags and stuff. Mine gets flagged every time. So I'm not sure what it is, but we are off to Everest because there's a 10-minute wait, and then I think afterwards we're gonna do Dinosaur because that's also 10 minutes. And I'm very excited.
And then it's a hangout day.
Or maybe it's a hangout day, but we all left room for Satu'li Canteen, so.
I wouldn't exactly say I have room for it.
Really? Oh,
no,
I do.
I was built with extra stomachs, so it's okay.
But we're ready to go and have a fun day. I don't know why Mom didn't want to come on this ride. It's just like a nice little calm ride through the mountains. There's nothing to worry about. It's really slow, right, Dad?
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely. It's a
country train.
little country train. It's really nice. I also don't know why they're wishing us good luck. That seems really strange. But we're ready. And I do not think that this is only a 10-minute wait. I do think it's slightly longer. Okay, we've been in line for like 2 minutes. It's 11:13. Let's see how long this wait actually is. Dad and I were gonna ask for the front.
We decided not to, just be nice.
And we got it anyways. It worked out.
Oh, here's the big hill. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
No, it's not bad. It's just a nice little ride through the country. Ready? Hollywood Studios. Oh my god, balloons! This is so nice. So nice and relaxing.
Okay.
It's a little less relaxing. Oh. Oh god. It's amazing. You can have the full fit. That's adorable. So it's 11:27 and we are completely done Everest. So that was a good wait time. It was about 15 minutes from us getting in to being completely done the ride, which is awesome. We are now looking for Mom because she doesn't come on with us, so we have to find her. She's somewhere.
So let us know when she's done.
So just before we came on this trip, they started dismantling Primeval Whirl, which is really sad. And we're about to see, oh my god, they've done so much.
Why don't we go left?
Oh my god. So we're gonna take a look now at what Primeval Whirl is like now. It's kind of shocking not to have anything right there, because there used to be. It's like all gone. What do you guys think? It's like really shocking not to see it there. This entire side's all gone. There's a little left on that side, and then everything that used to be behind the queue. I think to drown our sorrows, we need to take a ride on Dinosaur. It's the only answer. I've never noticed this bench, but it's so cool. It has like hand-drawn mosaics.
It might have something to do with always going in the store.
So cute. I wonder if like the kids of Imagineers made them or something, because they're not like the best drawings. But they're cute. Adorable.
When we're starting.
11:41? Alright, let's see how long.
That the future is true in the past.
Hello there.
Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller, and I have a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
But how to make her see the truth about my past? Impossible. She turned away from me.
He's holding back, he's hiding, but what I can't.
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does.
These are the new prizes. I want that one. We are right now ordering our food. We are ordering Satu'li Canteen, and then we're gonna place the order. Then we're gonna make our way over there, and we need to find somewhere to eat it, which is gonna be interesting. They do have a patio though, so that's good. So that is the plan. We just did some shopping. I bought this necklace.
And we did a good turn for someone back home.
Yeah. We are now off to Satu'li Canteen. We have ordered, said we're there, and we're gonna go get our food. I am starving, so I'm very excited. They're preparing our order. We said that we were there at the Tree of Life, and now we are on our way. So we're gonna see, hopefully it will match up the time, but probably not. We just got in and literally just sat down. I had to just take off my thing, and we got the notification that's ready at 7. It was really awesome. We started it at the Tree of Life, walked here, and as we were sitting down at a table, it was ready. I'm very happy with that.
In the way I do.
It's enough for this restless wanderer just to.
Oh, thank you.
Yay! We got our food. I got beef and chicken with noodles. Dad got beef with hash browns. Mom got noodles and beef. We have a pod with some chips, waters, and then since this, oh, we didn't get our cutie. This was supposed to come with 2 sides, and one of them was an orange. We are done lunch.
5 floating rocks out of 5 floating rocks.
Mine's also 5 floating rocks out of 5 floating rock. 5 floating rocks out of 5 floating rocks. Mom?
Yes. Yes, I agree. Also 5 floating rocks, but I'm really full, so
It was
like
absolutely delicious. They originally forgot our cuties, like orange, but we got it. And now we are off to Kilimanjaro Safari because the line was like 65 minutes earlier today, but that's because everyone races to the back of the park to do it in the morning. It's now 30 minutes.
Animals are more active in the morning.
Yeah, that is true because now it's hot and like they've been sitting. It's now at 35 minutes, so we are going to Africa to do Kilimanjaro Safari. For some reason, Mom says she doesn't like this ride or didn't need to do it, which is strange.
I think she just assumed we were talking about Everest.
I think we were talking about Everest. And
Completely different continent.
No, because she said that what else is on our must do. I just want to do the trails. But we are off to Kilimanjaro Safari to see the animals.
I wouldn't mind coming back and listening for a while.
Yeah. It's 1:33 as we're entering. It says 35 minutes. We'll see how accurate that prediction is.
Can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. The world for once.
And it's 11:48.
what's the time?
15 minutes.
In the way I do.
It's enough for this restless wanderer just to be with you.
After finishing Kilimanjaro Safari, we are now on the gorilla trail trying to find the baby hippo. If you're bad today, there's a bedroom available here.
I'd have a whole bathroom myself. It's like an upgrade.
You don't have to be rude about it. Popcorn!
She turned away from me.
And now good ducks. Look at all them chickens.
At the base of the tree of life for a unique journey of discovery. Ready to go. And take a picture of these birds too, because sites like this are getting harder to find in wild places. Parrots all over the world are struggling out there population-wise due to so many different things. Deforestation, the illegal pet trade, habitat loss, all of that stuff makes it really hard for parrots like this to survive in wild places. But it is not all bad news. The great news is people have started to notice and they've started to do something about it. And we're happy to tell you we are working with a really great organization called the World Parrot Trust, and they are breeding the rarest species of macaw to be released into Bolivia, into the wild, and that is the blue-throated macaw. And we're really happy that we can say with conservation efforts, we can go to places like Bolivia or down to South America and not only see a few birds, but see skies filled with macaws. How cool would that be to see a sky filled with macaws? Check this out.
The park has been absolutely amazing, but it is hot, and if you've ever been to Animal Kingdom, you know that when you're in here, it feels hotter than anything else feels normally. It is 3:20 now, and we are headed out of the park because we are going to go have a swim and probably a drink at the hotel before having dinner and getting our costumes on to finally do our costume reveal for you guys and go to Boo Bash. I am so excited. There has been 2 hints to our costumes throughout this video, so if you notice them, comment them down below. I think that I am going to end this segment after the pool, and then it will be a whole new video for our costume reveal and Boo Bash tonight. A little bit left of this video, but you'll have to subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified when our video goes up for the Boo Bash. But for now, we shall take you on for the rest of our afternoon. That girl is holding a giant Emily squishmallow, like Emily the Bat. We are at the pool. We are at the pool. We are swimming. Almost 5 o'clock, or it is 5 o'clock, and the sun is almost gone. But we are gonna swim a little bit and then go up to the room and get ready for the Halloween party. I don't know what we're having for dinner or what the plan for that is.
Popcorn.
We are gonna swim.
Hawaiian buns.
So I'm ending this part of the vlog here. I might put some B-roll of us getting ready. Otherwise, check out next video for everything about the Halloween party. And so definitely subscribe, click that bell icon to be notified. And you can check out my Instagram because I took some cute beach photos that cute pool photos that I hope to put on Instagram.
The heat I know.